Makes our Igbo culture beautiful is various things. I like to go back and see where we came from as Igbo people when we were dealing with the 1800s, when we were, still in Nigeria, but there was really no colonization there. It's interesting to see how we developed from things that are now in our culture, such as Christianity, food, school, and other things that we use here today in America. And I think what makes our culture beautiful is wherever we are, we can still tie back our culture and celebrate Igbo culture, Igbo ethnicity anywhere. My name is Godo Kafo, and my Igbo is beautiful.
If you see me, call me Onyibo.